Hey there, boys and girls. Mr. Mike 47274 coming back at you. I'm doing a little demo here of a LED bulb that I bought for my motorcycle for my '09 BMW G650 GS. This is the bulb I bought. It's a iBright Star bulb. I'll put a link in the description. And the significance of this LED bulb is that it flashes 4 times when I apply the brake, either the brake lever or the brake pedal, front brake, back brake. So it gives the motorist behind you a little bit of warning, you know, hey, this guy's put his brakes on, kind of gets their attention, I think. Some motorists don't actually like these when they're behind people, that their brake lights flash, I guess, kind of annoying. But, you know, I guess if you're on and off the brake a bunch, then yeah, it probably gets annoying people. So anyway, this little demo is just to show you the difference between my OEM bulb and the LED bulb that I bought, which flashes 4 times. You can get these to flash at different rates, a longer time, maybe up to 11 flashes, I think, when you initiated. And then, so anyway, I went with the one that just flashes 4 times, just to get a little bit of extra protection from the guys behind me. And I apologize for not putting the video out sooner, because I was going to do this actually sooner, and I've had the bulb since last fall, and I was waiting for it to warm up to get out and do this. Well then, as mentioned earlier, I think in another segment, I tried this outside and it just didn't work with the UV light outside, the natural light, and the bulb. The bulb appeared to be flashing when the bike was just sitting here. I tried the bike not running, the bike running. Tried different speeds, the 1080, the 4K, 30, 60, 120. I tried everything, but I couldn't get it to not flash when the bike's just sitting there and not doing nothing. And then when I hit the brake, it appeared that it flashed when I hit the brake. And then when the flashes were done flashing, the 4 flashes, then it's supposed to stay steady, but then it looked like it was actually flashing. So you may have noticed this in some videos you watch of other YouTubers following them along, you know, and it looks like their taillights are flashing. Anyway, the delay, I haven't got to go camping, do anything that I was wanting to do. May 25th, I have a heart attack, just out of the blue. Just woke up 5:30 one morning, and my wife's like, "You're having a heart attack." So anyway, I come to find out I had 2 arteries blocked, one at 99%. They put a stent in that one. Then I went back on May the 5th and had the Widowmaker artery. They had to put 3 stents in that one. So still trying to recover from that. So anyway, I got a little lag, a little downtime this spring already, and it's already getting hot out. So I'm not sure how many more videos I'll be able to put out here, but anyway, I thought I'd stick this one in there just for some content, just to update my channel and get something else out there that somebody else might be interested in. So I hope some of you find something useful out of this and if you decide to get you a bulb. I bought this one off Amazon. Like I said, I got a twist and turn type bulb. Some of you may just have the ones that push in, just a regular socket, just shoves in and you're done. So anyway, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and got any input on this, hey, drop me a comment or something. I love reading the comments. I love replying to comments. So take care, and we'll talk at you later. Okay, pull the brake lever. And hit the brake pedal. Brake lever. Brake pedal. Okay. This is this OEM taillight brake light bulb. Brake light lever and brake pedal. That's it. That's all you get. But that's the OEM bulb. And this is the LED. I haven't put the I actually haven't put the taillight lens back on, but the bulb is red when in its natural state. Also, I forgot to mention that this is a red brake light taillight combo. So if you don't have a taillight lens, it'll actually, you don't have to put red tape over it if you crack your taillight and, you know, trying to be legal. And so anyway, you can, I guess, get by without a lens if you absolutely have to until you get you a new lens. So well, that's a pretty cool little feature also. So anyway, there you have it. Maybe why it's a little brighter, because it's already red. That may actually help the brightness of it, being it's already red. I don't know. Anyway, I just know that I like the flashing effect. You can get these with different, some of them flash at a different rate. They flash, like I said, this one's 4, I think maybe up to like 8 or 10 times they flash before they stay red. I just wanted just a simple little flash, flash, flash to get the idea across that I was applying brakes. Kind of gives you an idea of what it does, and if you're thinking about putting one of these in your bike, you can buy aftermarket add-on for like $200, a little bar that goes across here, and when you decelerate, it'll flash to let the motors behind you know that you're slowing down, but you're not actually putting the brakes on. But those are kind of pricey compared to the bulb, so I thought, well, I'll just try the bulb and see how that goes. And I think the other ones, the bars, they actually, you know, they do turn signals. You can it's tied into your turn signals also, so it is more protection, more awareness to the guys behind you riding. But being a cheapskate, I just took the little light bulb route, and that's better than nothing, I guess. A little insurance is better than none. So anyway, that concludes my flashing brake light demonstration. So I hope maybe you got something out of this, and like I said, I'll put a link in the description of the particular one I bought. You may have to do a little research to find the one that you need for your bike. You may have one that just pushes in rather than twist and turn. So anyway, they're out there. You just got to do a little research. I got this off Amazon. So thanks for watching.